So the next thing that we want to do, what we actually want to do and should have done at the end of the last video, was to refresh it and save. So remember to save as you go along so you don't lose anything. The next thing I want to do is I want to put in one of my images. So one of my lovely images over here that I have. So this is going to be about street art. So I'm actually just going to put this in and change this to street art. Now, it does look incredibly boring, but don't worry just yet. There will be your style sheet that will make this look a whole lot better coming along soon. So we want to put in some of these images. So the next thing is your image text. So I know that it is image, but you don't know that yet. So you want to go up here and you want to find where is your image text. Click on image and it will have some text. So in here, there is some sample code that you can copy and you can paste over to your website and just change what you need to change. So in here, this is your local image. So these are images that you own and that you have uploaded. So I'm going to put them in. What I do sometimes is just skip all these down to the end to give myself a little bit of space. So click on paste, okay? Nothing's gonna happen. This is a broken image. You'll see this. If your image appears like that, there's something wrong with it. That's somebody else's dog and somebody else's image, and I do not have this image on the left hand side here, so it is not gonna know what I want. However, what I do have are some of my own images. So I could pick the Lennon wall here and I can just type, and I make sure you don't delete anything too much. Like, don't delete any of your inverted commas or your equal signs so you don't break your code. So if we go to Lennon wall, now let's see if that works. It won't. My dog still comes up here. Alt text comes up when your image is broken. And also for screen readers, the reason why that doesn't come up is you'll see my image over here is a .png and my image over here is a .jpg. So that's because it's looking for the wrong image. That is one of the most common mistakes that people make. So make sure that everything matches up. If I change that, it should come up. Is it the same? Yep, there was capitals in there that I didn't have. So if I had actually gone with predictive code, it would have come up okay. So now my image comes up and it's already looking a little bit better. I have a little bit of text and I have my first image in there. So that's my about page done for now. Obviously you have put in more images. We're not going to go to galleries or anything like that just yet. If I want to change my image, so my image is perhaps a little big. I want to change this and reduce this. So I'm actually just going to put this down to 250 and 300 so that the size is a little bit better. Now that's better. Maybe 400 and 300. Okay, perfect. And I could put another image underneath that. Now this time I wouldn't need to go back here and get it. I could actually just copy and paste this and pick one of my other images. What do I want? I want to put in I want to actually have any other images in there. Do you know? I'm gonna put in a social media icon, but I'm gonna do that in a moment. If you do, like I thought I'd put up more images and I hadn't, you can add them in now. It's not too late. So if I click add image and I go to upload files, And I'm going to click on Centralia. And you'll see now in one moment, if I click back to my index, I can now put Centralia in, which is also a PNG. It's going to be a different size, I think, so I might have to adjust my sizes. Oh, it's actually okay. So these are good. They're side by side. Obviously, if I had more space there, they would end up like actually side by side. But because I have a shorter one there, that's how you put in regular plain images.